Is it on?
Yes.
This is Bird out of the house. Take one.
I'm freaking out. I'll shit my pants.
Oh my god!
Rachel just...
Ah!
Did it poop? Oh my god, it's like eyeballing you. Don't you move, Bird. It's a big ass bird. Oh my god. Don't do it. Oh god. Oh, now grab it in your blanket. Oh, where'd it go? You should have grabbed it with your coat.
Hell no! You'll have shit all over it.
It'll clean.
It will clean.
Just don't let it break. Don't. It's gonna knock that plate off. Come on, Bird. Go out the door. Oh god. It's gonna hurt itself. Just throw it. Oh my god. Don't hurt it. It's okay, right? Okay. Which door? Front.
Alright, close that.
Okay. Alright, it's good enough.
Okay,
Okay. Alright. You're so brave.
look out.
Look out, we caught a bird in our house.
And no harm.
Please let there be no harm.
No!
Woo, it flew away! Good job, Rachel.
Now we gotta throw this in there because it got bird. Bug.
Is that good?
Bird is